Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make hexagonal boxes so they can be useful for tiles, like for example Catan. This is the base game box, and because I have also the 5 to 6 player expansion, I put everything in there, and yes, it looks good, it doesn't move, so that's what we're gonna see today. It's pretty good. Alright, so what you'll need to know are two different measurements. So first you'll need the height of your box. So I'm showing you like the lid, but they're both the same. It's just that I did a different measurement for the box in itself. And the big diagonal, which is from one point to the other, like that, or like that, or like that. It's all the same. So the big diagonal and the height of your box. Here, height, big diagonal. So yes, I call it GD because it's a Grand Diagonal in French, but whatever. And basically we'll need 3 sheets of paper with these measurements. So I will show you. The paper will be basically for the length twice the height, and this measurement is that. So 2 times the height plus square root of 3 divided by 2 times big diagonal. And here basically it will be 3 times big diagonal divided by 2. So it's very simple. It looks more complex than it is. So for my example, I chose to have a height of 20 millimeters and a big diagonal of 95. So for the length, I have 2 times 20, 2 times h, plus square root of 3 divided by 2 times 95, which is big diagonal, which gives me 122 millimeters. And for the width of my paper, I'll just do 3 times 95 divided by 2, so 3 times the big diagonal divided by 2, which is 142 millimeters. So I will cut 3 sheets of these measurements, and I will be back. Alright, so I'm back with my sheet. So we're just gonna do, write down the measurements of our paper. So first we're gonna do the 3 columns. So it was written big diagonal divided by 2 times 3, so we're going to do that. Our big diagonal is 95, so divided by 2 is 47.5. Up. It's going to be a bit hard because I'm behind the camera, so hopefully I am accurate. I'm not sure. I can't really see. So these are 3 columns, and now we're gonna do the height twice, which is 20 millimeters. Here, 20 millimeters. And now just trace these diagonals. You're not forced to, but I think it can help you to fold up like more accurately. So I always do it. Up. And now you just fold. So these folds, these two there, you want them to be facing up like that, so in mountain mode. And these two here, same column, but where there's the height, you want them to be folded downwards like that. So valley mode. So I'm gonna just mark the folds a bit better here, just to make sharper edges, just here. I don't go any further. I'm gonna fold these as well. So there we are. You repeat the process with 2 other sheets and you should be ending up with these. So what you're gonna do is very simple. So first the double height, you're gonna fold on that centered line like that. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take one sheet and put the second one in the third column there. And see, you're gonna basically do your first fold there and then push, and that should start looking like a hexagon. So if you keep on going, you're gonna have like that, an unfinished hexagon box. So you're gonna just put the third sheet there and keep on doing it. You push up, 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 and up. And yeah, so what you're gonna do is, see this thing there, it's like not sealed or anything. You're gonna try to bring it upwards on top of the box. It's not easy, huh? Okay. So after you put the thing on top, I mean in the center, you'd be tempted to obviously do something like that and push. But if you look, well, you could keep it like that, but technically it's not optimal, I guess. You have like a fold there, and you'll have a paper that has like 3 triangles, one paper that has 2 and one that has 1. So to have like that, where all the there's 2 triangles of each paper, instead you're gonna not do that. So let's undo it. And you want to have this side inside of that one. So if you lift a bit, you should see here, there's like a space, and that's where you want to put your paper. So you have to slide it. It's a bit difficult. It always tries to like break out. Alright, you push and then just do it for every single side, and you should be good. It's done. So that is how to make a hexagonal box. So I took the measurements for a lead for this one, but obviously you take the measurements you'd like, it doesn't matter. So let's say this was a box. To make a lead, just add like 2 millimeters for the big diagonal instead of whatever measurement you had, so probably like 95, and you should be good. That was how to make a hexagonal box. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.